Hello and welcome. Today in this video we'll try to install Windows 11, but not in the usual place. I will try to install it in the woods. Is it possible? Let's find out. I know it's better to use any laptop for these actions, but I will go the hard way and take a desktop PC. This is my second PC, you might notice it in my previous videos. So we'll take with me my desktop PC, a monitor, a keyboard, a mouse, and even PC speakers. And of course we need a table. Luckily I have one of these. It's 20 years old but very easy to assemble or disassemble. Next we need a vehicle. I have it too. As you can see, it placed well. Okay, we are almost ready to go, but we have one problem. We need a power to turn on our PC. And the problem is there is no electricity in the woods. So how we can solve the problem? Yes, we can use a portable power station. Fortunately, I have one of these too. It has two electrical sockets and a capacity of 180 mAh. Rated power 700 watts maximum. It means we can even connect a modern, powerful PC to it. Okay, now we are ready to go. I did 250 kilometers or 155 miles on a nearly new car called Hyundai Accent. The ride went well and it took 2.5 hours. It looks like we're here. I won't go to the forest because I don't want to catch some disease from ticks. I think it will be perfect to use this place. As you can see, it has all we need. A pond, a forest, even sand. But we have another problem. It started to rain. And it happened right at that moment when I came here. And the funny part, there are no rains in my region for the last 2 months. I'm not surprised, because as we know, the weather is unpredictable. So, I decided to wait out the rain. As you can see, the cloud is moving directly to the pond. And the second cloud is moving at the same direction too. That's why it took 2 hours to wait out the rain. Looks like the rain cloud is gone, so we can start to place our stuff. It's almost done. As you can see, we don't have much space. The table is too small. I think these people have no idea what's going on here. Okay, everything is connected. We can forget about cable management. Here you can see one of my USB flash drives with Windows 11 ISO. PC speakers, we are ready to start. The only thing we should be afraid of is the rain. Because just one drop of water can cause an explosion. Boom! Just kidding. I mean, just one drop of water can break our motherboard. Let's hope this doesn't happen. As you notice, we have 3 devices which we need to connect to the power station. And the power station has only 2 sockets. What we gonna do? Yes, we can use a power strip. Okay, now let's turn on the power station. To do it, you need to press here. PC speakers start making strange noises. It happened because of the volume. It was increased on maximum. Okay, it's working well. As you can see, Windows 10 is loaded. It's very difficult to see the picture on our monitor. The reason is our monitor is very old and it has only 300 CD brightness. In daylight, it's almost impossible to see any picture on the monitor. I think to solve this problem we need a new monitor with at least 500 CD brightness. Of course, I can take my new PC, but it's very huge and uncomfortable for transportation. I prepared in advance a disabled secure boot and TPM 2.0 in Windows 11 image using Rufus. Otherwise, we wouldn't be able to install Windows 11. Okay, let's start. Press an F8 on ASUS motherboards to access boot menu. Booting from USB. This is the maximum display brightness. Selecting Install Now. Windows 11 Pro. Look, smell the air. It's a completely different emotion. Selecting my test SSD. Next, next, next. And the setup begins. Done. Windows 11 was installed successfully in the woods. What about playing games? CSGO, for example. But there is no internet in the woods. So what we're gonna do? We can use a personal hotspot on my iPhone and playing games online. But we have another problem. There is no service out here. But I was prepared in advance here too. I downloaded Half-Life 1. Have you ever seen somebody playing Half-Life 1 in nature? That's how it looks. To sum up, I want to say that I had completely different emotions from using a PC in nature. You know, fresh air, it was great. It was a nice experience, but my problems didn't end there. When I came home, this PC stopped turning on. I've tried to update BIOS, reinstall memory sticks, but nothing worked. It still won't turn on. Then I tried to disassemble my PC, and that put me into shock. You won't believe it. The reason is an improper contact of the CPU. As you can see, it has banded CPU pins. Looks like the transportation caused this problem. I've never had this experience before. After correcting the pins, my PC came to life. Write in the comments section, have you ever used a PC in nature? If you enjoyed this video, press the like button and don't forget to subscribe. See you later, bye.